Hi, welcome to FamiSafe. I'm Amanda, and today I'm going to be talking you through a full tutorial on how to use FamiSafe on your iOS device. FamiSafe is a parent control app that helps ensure the online safety of children. Let's get started. For this video, we'll be looking at location service. This includes the live location, location history, Geofence, and driving report features. Live location allows parents to check the current location of their child's device, and the location history feature shows where they've been.
Live location. Real-time location will display under Home when you first open FamiSafe. Or tap Features and then Live Location. Tap Refresh on the bottom left corner to refresh your child's location. Tap Features, then tap Location History. You can scroll through your child's location history in timeline format. Geofence.
Geofence allows parents to create virtual boundaries like a school zone or a home zone. You can set up a specific area and get notified when your child enters or leaves that area. Now let me show you how to use it.
Tap Features, then Geofence. Tap to add your home, school, or other place. Search for the location you would like to set as a geofence. Choose the correct location from the drop-down list. Next, you'll choose the range you would like to apply to the geofence area. I'll do about 300 meters, and then tap Save. Driving Report.
The driving report allows parents to get a detailed view of their teen's driving. You can see information like the highest speed, number of times they were over the speed limit, and hard braking. Additionally, you'll be able to review a weekly driving summary with your teen, showing the route taken for each trip and the average speed maintained, so that you can help your children develop good driving habits, even when you aren't always riding with them. Here's how to use it.
Tap Features, then Driving Report. You'll only need to click Enable the first time. Drive Details will show the driving information for each trip. I'm able to see previous week's data by clicking this arrow. I can go back several weeks. The summary report shows the week's trips, highest speed, total distance, and hard brakes. Under Settings, you can choose a maximum speed limit.
I hope this tutorial has been helpful in showing you how to use the FamiSafe app on your iOS device. If you have any questions or require further assistance, please do not hesitate to contact the FamiSafe support team. Don't forget to subscribe to FamiSafe, and we'll see you next time.